Hello and welcome to my virtual tour. In this video, I will take you through my philosophy of children's learning by sharing my reflections and creative representations. I believe that children are natural risk-takers, imaginative, and imitative learners. These qualities shape the way they explore the world, engage with their surroundings, and develop essential skills. Throughout this presentation, I will showcase my representations, including a poem, a collage, and a song that illustrate these key beliefs. So let's begin. The first section is my reflection on what I believe about children. I believe that children are natural risk-takers. They approach challenges with curiosity and determination, unafraid to test their limits. Research by Dietz and Kashin suggests that risk-taking in play is essential for fostering problem-solving skills, resilience, and confidence. The Canadian position experiences allowing them to develop independence. I witnessed this firsthand when my 3-year-old son attempted ice skating for the first time. Despite falling multiple times, his persistence and courage showed the value of embracing challenges. As an educator and parent, I strive to create environments that empower children to take risks while balancing safety and exploration. Encouraging children to step out of their comfort zones fosters their confidence and resilience, as cited by Dietz and Kashin. I believe in balancing structure with opportunities for open-ended exploration, where children can take on challenges in a supportive setting, whether it's a trying new activity, sharing ideas, or navigating obstacles. I am to nurture a space where every child's growth is celebrated. By sharing observations with families and colleagues, and organizing activities that encourage courage and perseverance, I hope to foster an appreciation for risk-taking in learning. Let's now move on to the second characteristic: children as imaginative. Imagination is one of the most powerful qualities children possess, allowing them to transform simple materials into something meaningful and unique. I believe fostering imagination is essential in developing critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Between the ages of 3 and 4, children's play evolves into imaginative storytelling, role-playing, and symbolic representation, as cited by Dietz and Kashin. During my practicum at Father Bachon, I observed a child eagerly engaging in a pretend store play scenario, demonstrating how imagination bridges learning and real-world experiences. To nurture imagination, I advocate for open-ended materials and spaces where children can explore freely. I hope they leave my care with a strong belief in their imaginative potential and an understanding that creativity is not just about play, but a tool for learning and discovery. To communicate this belief, I will share observations with families, highlighting how imagination contributes to children's growth and encouraging them to provide opportunities for creative exploration at home. Let's now proceed to the third characteristic: children as imitative. Children are highly imitative learners, observing and replicating the behaviors of those around them. Research suggests that sociodramatic play and family interactions significantly influence children's social and emotional development, as cited in Dietz and Kashin. In my own experience, my 3-year-old son loves helping his mom cook and eagerly imitates her actions in the kitchen. He enthusiastically replicates her behaviors, whether stirring a pot, washing dishes, or pretending to prepare food. This demonstrates how children learn practical skills, social norms, and emotional responses through observation and imitation. Children refine their understanding of the world by participating in the daily routines and strengthening their connections with caregivers. As an educator, I recognize the profound impact of being a positive role model, knowing that children will imitate what they see. Just as families shape a child's ability to engage in advanced social play. Early learning teachers also play a crucial role in fostering social competence, as cited in Ditch and Cashin. When children observe positive behaviors such as patience, problem solving, and kindness, they are more likely to adopt these traits in their interactions with peers. However, imitation is not limited to positive behaviors. Children can just as easily pick up negative actions and language. For this reason, I strive to create an environment where respect, empathy, and collaboration are consistently modeled by being intentional in my actions and interactions. I am to guide children in using their imitative abilities to develop strong social skills and contribute to a supportive, inclusive learning environment. Now let's move to the next section of my virtual gallery, where I showcase creative representations of children's learning experiences through poetry, collage, and song. Each piece reflects my deep belief in the power of play, imagination, and imitation in early childhood development. Let's begin our journey through these artistic expressions. First, I'm going to present my poem entitled Brave Little Steps. Little feet run, little hands climb, trying new things all the time. Jumping high, reaching wide, with a spark of joy inside. Stepping up, taking a chance, spinning, twirling in a dance. What if I fall? What if I fly? They laugh and give it a try. Splashing in the puddles, climbing trees, racing past against the breeze. Scrap up knees, but still they play, learning more with each new day. Falling down but standing tall, trying harder after all. Every risk, a lesson bright, helping them to find their light. So let them run, let them explore, let them dream and try once more. Brave little hearts, so wild and free, growing strong for all to see. The pieces embodied the fearless nature of children as they navigate the world through play. They're small but determined. The steps symbolize the courage to explore, imagine, and create. So once again, every little step a child takes is a brave leap toward learning and discovery. And now, I am excited to share with you my second representation, my collage entitled The Boundless World of Imagination. This artwork represents the limitless creativity that unfolds when children are encouraged to dream, explore, and create. Through this piece, I hope to illustrate the magic of child's perspective, their ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, and to see adventure in every moment. At the center of the collage is a child symbolizing curiosity, wonder, and the boundless potential within every young mind. Surrounding this child are various elements that bring their imagination to life, each representing a different aspects of their journey in a learning creativity. The three trees, one in summer, one in fall, and one in full bloom, symbolize the ever-changing season of growth, transformation, and learning. Just as trees adapt to their environment, children evolve with every new experience. A lion, strong and fearless, represents the courage children show them when they take risk and step into the unknown. Every challenge they face becomes a stepping stone for growth. A butterfly, delicate yet transformative, reflects the continuous development of child's creativity. As they learn and explore, they undergo their own beautiful metamorphosis. The chicken and birds symbolizes freedom and curiosity. Much like how birds take flight, children venture into the world with wide-eyed wonder, eager to explore new experiences. A hot air balloon, floating high above, represents their dreams and aspirations. It embodies the idea that with imagination, children can go beyond any boundaries set before them. A rainbow, a universal symbol of hope and diversity, reflects the vibrancy of child's mind. A world filled with colors, emotions, and endless creative expression. A unicorn, a creature of magic and wonder, reminds us that child's imagination, anything is possible. It represents their ability to dream beyond reality and believe in the extraordinary. A snake, often seen as a symbol of transformation and wisdom, reminds us that learning is a journey filled with twists and turns, challenges and discoveries. Bees, small yet hardworking, represent the importance of collaboration, persistence, and the joy of creating something meaningful. Kites, soaring in the sky, symbolize the freedom to dream big and reach for the highest possibilities. Just like kites, children's imaginations have no limits when given the space to fly. The sun, shining brightly, represents warmth, guidance, and the light of knowledge that nurtures a child's growth. For the conclusion, each of these elements contributes to the idea that imagination has no limits. When children are given the freedom to explore, create and dream, they build a world where learning and adventure to go hand in hand. As educators, parents, and caregivers, it is our role to nurture this imagination, to provide spaces where creativity can flourish, and to celebrate the magic in every child's unique way of seeing the world. Let me share this quote from mine. A child's imagination is like the sky, vast, limitless, and full of wonder. The more we nurture it, the brighter their dreams will shine. And lastly, my representation of children as imitative thinkers through my song entitled Come Along, Let's Imitate, captures the essence of learning through imitation, reinforcing the importance of role play and collaborative experiences in early childhood development.
Children love to imitate things they see, things they create through their play and what they do. They are learning something new. Come along, let's learn the fun way. Watch and copy as we will play with the words, actions, and deeds. Imitating will help them see. Come along, let's learn the fun way. Imitate it in your own way. Through the teamwork and collaboration, we can build and reach our goal. Mimic gestures, try a role. Pretend to be or deep a hole. Learning grows with every try. Their potential reaches the sky. Come along, let's learn the fun way. Watch and copy as we will play. With the words, actions, and deeds. Imitating will help them see. Come along, let's learn the fun way. You can do it in your own way. Through the teamwork and collaboration, we can build and reach our goal.
Through imitation, children don't just copy, they create, explore, and grow. Every action, they mirror is a step toward understanding the world and shaping their own unique path. Through this virtual gallery tour, I have shared my beliefs and creative representations that illustrate the essential qualities of children as risk-takers, imaginative thinkers, and imitative learners. By fostering these qualities, we create a learning environment where children feel confident, inspired, and engaged. As I continue my journey in early childhood education, I am committed to nurturing spaces that honor children's natural curiosity, creativity, and capacity for growth. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of my philosophy on children's learning.